How to get your Trello API token. So to start, we'll just have to open our browser and then search for Trello API keys. After that, we'll have to tap on this API introduction. And then in here under managing your API keys, simply tap on this link here. After that, we'll be automatically redirected to this page. In here, we'll have to tap on this new option. And then after that, we'll just have to fill out this form. In here, we'll have to add a power up or integration, add a workspace, and then you will also need a URL, and then you'll also have to add an email and then a supporting contact email. At the bottom, you'll also need to add an author. Once you're done with the form, at the bottom, tap on this create option. And then in here, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on this API key. After that, you will now see this option, generate a new API key. What we need to do is to tap on this one. After that, we'll just have to tap again on this option, generate API key. So in here, it is now showing our API key. And then in here, you will also see this option token. All you need to do is to tap on this one. So that's how easy we can get Trello API token. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!